In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Google Sheets. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and keep everything organized, whether you're collaborating with your team or just managing your personal projects. So let's dive right into the steps and get everything connected smoothly. First, you'll want to begin by opening up a Google Sheet. This is your canvas, where you'll integrate and use the files from your Google Drive. Now, with your Google Sheet open, navigate to cell C3. Simply click on it to select it. This is where we'll kick off our integration. Next, in cell C3, type the @ symbol. Doing this is like saying a little magic word that triggers Google Sheets' Smart Helper, allowing you to bring elements from other Google tools, like your files from Google Drive, into the spreadsheet. Once you've entered the @ you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing, giving you a list of different options. From here, you should click on a file you intend to use. This step is essential because it connects that particular file directly with your Google Sheet, enabling easy access and referencing. After selecting your file, head over to cell E3 and click on it. This simple click sets up the next action, which involves the Google Sheets Insert functionality. Now, with E3 still selected, look at the top menu of your Google Sheet. You'll need to click on Insert. When you hit that option, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, make sure to choose the Smart Chips. These are brilliant little tools that can make your document dynamic and interactive by linking directly to your Google Drive files. Within the Smart Chips submenu, you'll want to select File. This will prompt another menu where you'll see a list of your recent files from Google Drive. Now it's time to choose the file once again. By clicking on that file, you're effectively embedding it right there into your Google Sheet. The file isn't just linked, but becomes part of the document's smart fabric, making it accessible anytime you need it without switching tabs or hunting through your drive. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected your Google Drive to your Google Sheets. This setup is incredibly useful for seamless collaboration and organization. Now, each time you need to work with a file, it's all ready and waiting within your spreadsheet. Whether you need to pull data or simply keep everything accessible, this technique can really enhance your productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy your newfound productivity boost, and see you in the next tutorial.